Welcome to the new paint shop at the Workshop and Restoration Centre. What we're going to talk about is a little bit about this Aston Martin DB4 behind us. So this is being primed today. So this is its first coat of primer of a couple of different coats that we'll do. And it looks a little bit funny, a bit mottly, because that's what we put a guide coat onto it. And that allows the guys to be able to see every high and low spot. Is a hand flattening the car back. And then they will put it into another coat of primer and then into paint. Really crucial stage. This is where the final real nitty-gritty of the shape forming is done, so getting every line absolutely perfect, so you get that smooth glass finish when the final paint's put on. So we've invested heavily in our paint shop with a brand new spray booth at top of the range, a paint mixing room, as well as many other pieces of equipment and tooling for the guys to be able to use. And then we've also invested in some brilliant experience locally to get two guys on that are absolutely fantastic at what they do. So we'd love to talk to you about any of your requirements for bodywork, paint and restoration. Give us a call or drop us an email, and you can find all our contact details on the website.